Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's a pleasure having you here again, most definitely. As usual, we are talking about the market and everything that has to do with the market. So I was just sitting, my quiet time and I was thinking, hey, it's all about the numbers at the end of the day. What do I mean? Right? The number of trades that you get, the number of pips that you make, the amount, which has to do with numbers that you make in dollars and so on. It's all about the numbers. So you need to be able to play with numbers. You need to be able to play with some little math. Now, I'm about hosting a webinar, and I tagged it how to make 500 pips every month. 500 pips every month, I'm sure will be very good, to be a beautiful one for you, right? But this is what I'm going to. If you want to make 500 pips every month, now look at it this way. One instrument can give you 500 pips in one trade. As an example, maybe gold, right? We all know that gold is a mover and it can give you 500 pips in a week in one trade. But then let's be more realistic. Let's look at maybe 100 pips per trade. So that means that you need 5 trades. Listen carefully, please. Let's play with this math. That means that you just need 5 trades, just 5 trades in order to hit the 500 pips, right? Now, 5 trades in a month. I didn't say in a day, I didn't say in a week. So you notice that from what I've just said now, it has helped you, or let me put it this way, it has helped struggling traders to think in a different way. Meaning, hey, I don't need to trade every day. I don't need to place 200, 500 trades in a month to be able to hit my target. So that means that you need to place the best of the best trades, and you just need 5 that can give you 100 pips. And of course, it's even possible that it could even give you more than 100 pips. So let's just say 5, maybe 3 to 5 trades. Now, as you have it as 5 trades there about 100 pips, that means that you don't need to place trades every day, number 1. And then number 2, you wait for the best of the best opportunity and you are not scalping. Because scalping, you have too many opportunities, and also even during scalping, your take profit is rather on the small side. You can say that this has also helped you to know the type of trader ideally that you should become. Ideally, you should become what? Probably like intraday stroke swing trader, more of a swing trader. So this is that we're talking about. It should help your thought process, the mindset. You must have that winning mentality. That's the first and most important thing for every trader, right? And by the time you have that in check, it will help you to stay focused. And if you don't have any trade this week, hey, no problem. You know that when you have your opportunities, they will be the best one, and then you would easily hit your target. I'm going to stop here because I just want you to think about it. It's all about the numbers. Play around with the numbers. Even if you are new, ask yourself, do you want to be trading every day? I'm sure it is no, because the main aim of why we trade is for freedom, right? We trade so that we can be free, not to be stuck in front of the system on a daily basis. How many hours, how many numbers again? How many hours do you spend in front of your chart each day? There are things that you need to work around when it comes to numbers. It will help you out tremendously, trust me. Let me just round up here. Please, if you have any question, please watch this video thoroughly. You could pause, rewind, or watch it multiple times, but watch it and hopefully it makes some little sense. And if it does, right, then reach out, ask me a question, comment in the section below, and let's see what we can do for you. Because truth be told, we can all hit the numbers that we want to meet. Okay, thank you guys. That's been a good one. Enjoy the rest of the day. Please also note we have some key data coming out later today for the US dollar. You have the CPI coming out later, and then you have the rate statement for CAD. To expect high impact news volatility with respect to the dollar and also the CAD later today. Okay, goodbye. God bless. Cheers.